Respected audience, it is a pleasure to share with you about NLR India Foundation and its work. Leprosy is a communicable disease which can cause disability if not detected and treated in time. To see India as a nation free of leprosy, we still have a long way to go. Each year, we get around 200,000, around 2 lakh new cases in the world, and out of which around 1.2 lakh occur in India. That is almost 60%. Though the disease, leprosy, is known to mankind for more than 4,000 years, still there is a huge amount of stigma and discrimination, and mostly that is due to the misinformation. Now, some common myths and the facts. First myth, leprosy is a curse of God. It is actually caused by a bacteria like tuberculosis. Leprosy is very contagious. 95% of adults are actually immune to the bacteria that causes it, and the bacteria spreads very slowly. Third, leprosy is not a problem any longer. Well, we have already broken the myth in the earlier slide with so many large number of cases, around 200,000 occurring in the world and 120,000 occurring in India. Leprosy cannot be treated. Actually, we have very effective treatment. WHO approved multi-drug therapy is available, which cures the infection. There is also medicine available for prevention. Only old people are affected by leprosy. In fact, it affects all ages. This slide depicts our vision, mission, and approach. We work with a vision where India is free of suffering due to leprosy and the disabilities and social exclusion that it causes, in which the health systems in all endemic states are able to diagnose and treat leprosy early and effectively, in which all people who are restricted due to disability or stigma participate in society as fully and as independently as possible. We follow a comprehensive 360-degree approach, including early detection and treatment of leprosy, prevention of leprosy and worsening of disabilities, disability inclusive development, education, life skills, and livelihood support. This slide depicts our journey over the years. We started working in India in 1993, and over the years, we have grown in our projects and reach across different states. One major contribution has been in piloting the leprosy post-exposure prophylaxis, wherein a single dose of a medicine is given to the contacts of leprosy for preventing them from getting the disease. In October 2018, Government of India rolled it out as a national program. We are also doing pioneering work in managing leprosy-related disabilities and disability inclusive development. Besides our national contribution, our work now is spread across 7 states, 129 districts, and 150 leprosy colonies. Last year, our services have reached around 4,300 leprosy affected and around 1,300 persons affected by lymphatic filariasis. Around 1,000 children were provided education support. 150 adolescents have been trained as change agents. Now, this is very interesting. These change agents are children who are made capable to support themselves, their family, as well as the community they live in. A good number of SHGs and disability people organizations were formed and supported. And also we participated largely in COVID response. And last year we reached around more than 300,000 individuals with guidance on COVID appropriate behavior. Thank you. Thank you for listening.